Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Imani. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. We are doing day 3 of our flower series. We have done roses, we have done some random flowers on a vine, and now today we're gonna do a cherry blossom. And what I'm gonna do is go ahead and prep my lid. I've gotten so many different flower requests, and I don't know, we might have to extend this one because I feel like there's a lot of beautiful flowers out here with so many beautiful colors, and I don't want them to go to waste. But since we're doing a cherry blossom, I thought it'd be really cute to go in with a neutral brown earth tone eye, because we don't really give our browns too much love. Every time we go on live, we're always playing in color, pinks, blues, reds, orange, yellows, you name them, but we don't touch our browns. So I was like, let me show it some love. So I'm gonna go into the ColourPop Precious Metals palette, and I'm gonna go into some beautiful warm red undertone browns, and we're gonna do a saw cut crease, not our regular like, oh girl, we're doing brat style type of cut crease, just nice and soft, nice and sultry, because we really want the flowers to be the main attraction for this look. I'm gonna go in with like 4 different colors realistically, but I mean really 3 to highlight it, but we're gonna go with 4. Also, real quick, I just really wanted to thank my amazing besties here on YouTube, because you guys have really been uplifting me. I have been up since 2 a.m. I did not get home till 8 a.m. My son was throwing up all night. He literally threw up 12 times and I had to take him to the ER. It got really bad. But I want to thank you guys so much for sending him over some love. He was actually really happy to see that too. He was like, tell your friends I said thank you. But he is so much better now. He's actually up and playing. He's been able to keep down food. So I'm happy to hear that this random 24-hour bug is gone. Mama is tired though. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I am super tired, and that's why I couldn't go on live today. But I didn't want to leave my besties hanging. So I was like, you know what? I got a little bit of time. Let me get on here and do a quick little 1-2 for my girls. So I just want to thank you guys for being so supportive and understanding during this time. I really do love and appreciate y'all. But back to this look. So now we are going to shade in these eyes, girls. So I'm taking a little bit of that reddish hue, the second shade that I use to create an ombre look. Y'all know I love a good ombre on the eye. And then I'm going to take that darker shade that I used in my crease and we're tapping on the outside. And I'm thinking we're going to go in for an angled liner, not a wing, but a nice angled one. We're gonna go in with the NYX Epic Ink Liner. Y'all know it's my favorite one, the black one. And we're literally just gonna take it at an angle, and then I'm gonna smoke it out with some black eyeshadow, because I don't want it to look like my eyeshadow, not eyeshadow girl, my eyeliner just stopped in place. No. So I'm gonna smoke it out with that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and prep my eyes for my lashes too. I use the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara, and y'all know my favorite lash glue, but I wanted to go ahead and do that on the eyes because I really wanted to rush and get to the good part of this makeup look. Now for the part that y'all know we like to speed through, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Matte Power Grip Primer. I actually have started to really like this primer because y'all know I'm an oily skin girl and my nose be looking like somebody rubbed some blue magic on my nose, but it's okay. So I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna prime my face, I'm gonna let that sit for a bit, and then I think y'all honestly already know a lot of the products that I'm going to be using because I use them all the time in the lives, but I'm going to say them anyway just for the girlies that maybe just now tuning in and don't really know what our faves are. But I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Camo Blush in the shade Pinky Promise. Y'all know I love that placement. I got to have it up on the side like that at an angle. It just sucks in the eyes, gives it real of a lift, like girl. Surgery could never. Then I'm going to go in with the Bobbi Brown Concealer. This one's in the shade Golden. You know where I'm going to put that under my eyes, bridge of my nose, top of my lip, on my chin. And then afterwards, I'm gonna go in with the Sephora Best Skin Ever Concealer shade 22.5 in, highlight underneath the eye. I'm gonna spray our face with that Milk Makeup Hydro Grip, and then we're going to blend. So y'all know I really had to speed through our base routine because, oh girl, like y'all know it be taking a while because we gotta make sure it's a nice flawless base, filtered look, no filter though. So I really had to speed through this. Like I'm quite literally like, I had to use like 400% to speed through this. Like most people are like, oh, just double it, do 2 times. Girl, no, I did 4 times. This can take a while. Now I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Liquid Bronzer and Contour. Honestly, friend, I don't even remember what shade this was, but it will be tagged at the bottom. So if you're interested to know what I use, girl, it'll be there in the description. Just check it out. So once we get that face nice and bronzed up, we're gonna go in with my favorite foundation. Y'all know that's my girl because it's mine. It's the Timeless Beauty Foundation. I'm going in the shade Warm Mahogany. I'm gonna put that right underneath that bronzer. Now that we have done our makeup underpainting portion, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to start setting this bad bitty down. Okay, so I'm gonna go into Revolution Makeup Banana Setting Powder, and I'm quite literally gonna put that everywhere. Make sure you tap off the excess. We don't want to look like Casper the Friendly Ghost at all, and we definitely don't want to look like a powdered donut. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and make sure that's nice and melted into the skin. And right after I got all of that setting powder on, I'm gonna go into my Maybelline Fit Me Press Powder I lied. Actually, no, I'm not. I thought I went ahead and did that part. So no, because I didn't do this on camera, I actually went in and I took that ColourPop brown gel liner and I lined my waterline, and then I actually smoked out the bottom of my eye too. Because you know, we like some flavor, we like to do that. So I had to do that real quick actually before I went in with my Maybelline Fit Me press powder, which you're about to see in like 3, 2, 1. Yeah, there it is. And that is in the shade 330 Toffee Caramel. We're gonna set that underneath our eyes, on our nose, top, lip, chin, maybe a little bit on the forehead. And now I'm gonna go with the Benefit Cosmetics Hula Caramel Bronzer. I don't think they have this specific formula anymore or this shade. I cannot find it on their website. If I'm wrong, let me know. But we're gonna warm up our face with that, and then of course the Juvia's Place Bella Blush, and I'm gonna put that right under the eye. So now we can get to the fun part of this makeup look. So now that this face is sitting, we're actually going to put some more mascara on our lower lashes, because you know I forgot to do that in the beginning of this, but that's okay. I'm gonna go into the Shop Miss A liquid liners. I'm going to use the white one. And what I like about the cherry blossom, this was actually very easy to draw. It's almost like drawing a really wonky heart or a clover. So it's really easy to draw. So if you want to duplicate this look, girl, mad easy, okay? Super easy. And then we're going to lightly fill it in, just leave the inner portion alone, because we want that like missing piece, because I think I'm going to take some color in there. And right now I'm just filling in these flowers. Girl, I had no idea where I was going to put these. I had to channel my inner besties, because I was like, where would they want me to put this if I was on live? So I was like, let me put one on the outside, maybe some on the eyeshadow, because I love when I put stuff on the eyeshadow. So I was like, okay, cool, we got this. And then I was like, you know what, I don't want to just do one side. I feel like one side is boring. So once I finished up with the right side of my face, I was like, let me go ahead and do the left side, kind of similar to. And I was like, all right, cool, 8 down. I think the besties will be proud that I did this by myself, and was like, girl, the input, period. So once I got that in on there and I drew those out, I let it sit for a bit too, because it was a little wet. And then I felt like, you know what, let me add a little bit of razzle dazzle. Let me add some like stems, little cute dots, because also my white liner was kind of running out a little bit, and I had to add a little razzle dazzle because I didn't want it to look a little wonky. It was looking a little funny. Once we got everything filled in, I actually was like, you know what, I think my girls would love if I put some rhinestones in this. So I did. I found some really cute blue ones that I haven't used yet. So I was like, let me go ahead and put those on. And then my camera got overheated, so you guys couldn't see the first part of that, but that's okay, because I came back and I was like, I got y'all. So I went into the Morphe Abby Roberts palette, you know, my favorite one, and I used a cute blue, and I was like, let's add a little bit of color. I feel like these flowers just need a pop of color for this look. So I just decided to put that like right on the outside, inside, outside, whatever side of these flowers. And then I took some of my lash glue, put it in the center so I could put some jewels in there. Y'all, I tell you, this flower look was actually really easy to do. I don't know, we might have to do this again, but like in different colors. I actually like doing this. It was really fun to do. Now onto the lips. Now y'all know I don't like to do the most. I don't like to do the most whenever we do lips. So I was like, to match it out, even it out, let's do a cute nude pink brown lip liner. I know y'all probably tired of seeing me do it, but that's my go-to because it just makes every look amazing. Lastly, I put on some gloss because you know I'm a gloss girly, and baby, voila, that is the look. Thank you guys so much for recommending this look. I cannot wait to see you guys in tomorrow's live so you guys can talk to me about today's look, and I will see you then. Bye guys.